Meaning of inarticulate.
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 Inarticulate. The term inarticulate refers to a person's inability to express one's thoughts or ideas clearly and effectively. When someone is inarticulate, they may struggle to find the right words to convey their intended message, leading to confusion and a lack of understanding. This can be frustrating for both the speaker and the listener, as it can hinder effective communication. Inarticulacy can be caused by a variety of factors, such as anxiety, nervousness, lack of vocabulary, or simply being unaccustomed to expressing oneself verbally. In short, being inarticulate makes it difficult for others to understand what one is trying to communicate.